Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by confirming whether you recorded locally or to the cloud. You need this because local files live on your Mac, while cloud files sit on Zoom's web portal. Open Zoom, go to Preferences, then Recording to see the exact folder path. Note it down. Once done, check Finder for that folder. You'll avoid wasted searching. Make sure the meeting fully ended and Zoom completed conversion, otherwise, files may not appear. If you use a secondary account, verify you're signed into the correct Zoom account. Next, go directly to the folder path shown in Zoom settings, typically Home Documents Zoom meeting name. You can also use Spotlight. Press Command plus space, type MP4 or the meeting title, then sort by date to find recent recordings. Once found, right-click to reveal in Finder and confirm file sizes. Small files may be incomplete. If you customize the path, open Finder's Go menu and paste the path. Make sure you have permission to access the folder. Adjust with Get Info if needed. To finish, if your recording was to the cloud, sign into your Zoom account on the web, open Recordings, and download the file you need. This preserves original video and audio. Once done, move downloaded files to a safe folder and back them up. If you can't find recordings, check account storage, confirm you used the same email, and inspect your Mac's trash. As a key troubleshooting tip, if files are missing or corrupted, search for MP4/M4A system-wide, check disk space, and contact Zoom support if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.